When you first open Excel, the grid can look confusing. In this video, you will learn what cells, rows, columns, and worksheets are and how they work together. Let's start at the bottom. This tab is called a worksheet. A worksheet is one spreadsheet page inside your Excel file. When you open a new workbook, Excel usually starts you on one worksheet named Sheet 1. To make worksheet easier to understand, let's rename it. Right-click the Sheet 1 tab, then click Rename. Type January, then press Enter. Now, the sheet has a clear name. To add another worksheet, click the plus icon next to the Sheet tab. Let's rename this new sheet February, then click Enter. You can switch between worksheets by clicking the tabs at the bottom. Now, look at the numbers on the left side. These are rows. Rows run across the worksheet from left to right. If I click number 1, Excel select the entire first row. At the top, you will see letters like A, B, C. These are columns. Columns run from top to bottom. If I click the letter A, Excel selects the entire column. A cell is the box where a row and a column meet. This cell is called A1 because it is in column A and row 1. You can also check the name box. It shows the selected cell reference. Right now, it is A1. Let's enter a simple header row. Click cell A1 and type that. Press tab to move to B1, then type category descriptions. Press tab again and type amount. Now, you have 3 headers in row 1. To format the whole header row, click row 1 on the left, then go to Home tab and click Bold in the font group. This makes your headers easier to see. If your text looks too narrow or cut off, you can resize the column. In this example, column B has the text that is cut off. Move your mouse to the right line of column B. When you see the double arrow cursor, double click. Excel adjusts the column width to fit the content automatically. A common beginner mistake is typing in the wrong cell. Before you type, quickly check the selected cell that have the green border around that cell. Or look at the name box. And if you make a mistake, click Undo in the Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl Z. Quick recap. A worksheet is one spreadsheet page. Rows go across, columns go down. A cell is where a row and column meet, and each cell has a name like A1. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.